Which keycap profile is best for an ergonomic keyboard setup? Imagine typing all day and feeling no strain in your fingers or wrists. That's what choosing the right keycap profile can do for you. When setting up an ergonomic keyboard, the goal is to make typing comfortable and natural. The shape and height of the keycaps play a big role in this. Keycap profiles are about how the keys are shaped and how tall they are. Some profiles have sculpted rows, meaning each row is a different height and angle to match your finger reach. Others are uniform, with all keys the same height and shape. For ergonomic setups, sculpted profiles are usually better because they support natural finger movement. The most popular options are cherry and OEM profiles. Cherry profile keycaps are slightly shorter than OEM ones. They have a gentle slope and sculpted rows that help guide your fingers smoothly across the keyboard. Because they are lower in height, they requiring less finger travel, which reduces fatigue during long typing sessions. The angled tops also help your fingers land more naturally, supporting better wrist and hand positioning. OEM profile keycaps are a bit taller but still sculpted with angled tops. They are very common and work well for most users. Their shape helps your fingers find keys easily without looking, which can cut down on unnecessary movement. Both cherry and OEM profiles are designed to support comfort and speed, making them good choices for office work or gaming. Profiles like SA are taller and more sculpted, which can look appealing but might cause more finger fatigue because they requiring more travel. Flat profiles like DSA or XDA are uniform and flatter. Some people find them less ergonomic because they need more finger movement to reach different rows. In office environments, where comfort and reducing repetitive strain are important, cherry and OEM profiles are recommended. They strike a good balance between ease of use and support for natural hand positions. When picking keycaps, choose sculpted profiles like cherry or OEM to help your fingers move smoothly and comfortably. Lower height keycaps like cherry are especially good for reducing fatigue. Avoid very tall profiles if you plan to type 4 hours at a stretch. Overall, selecting the right keycap profile can make a big difference in how your hands feel after a long day of work. It's about finding what supports your natural typing motion and keeps you comfortable. For ergonomic keyboards, sticking with sculpted, lower-profile keycaps like cherry or OEM is a smart move to keep your hands happy and healthy.